In the previous YouTube video, we looked at how to find the side of a shape when I'm only given the perimeter and another side. In this example, we are going to find the side of a shape when we're only given the area and one of the sides. So, in a rectangle, let's say the area is given to me and it is 40 meters squared. And they tell me that the length is 8 meters squared and I need to find the breadth. How do we do this? Right, we know the formula for area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. But in this example, I already have the area, I already have the length, and now I need the breadth. So we usually say length times breadth, but now we need to work backwards to get back. We already have the area, we have the length, we need to work backwards. So when we're working backwards, instead of multiplying, we have to do the opposite of multiplying because we're working backwards. So we need to divide to find the missing side. So I'm going to take my 40 meters and I'm going to divide my 40 meters squared, which is my answer, the area, and I'm dividing it by 8, which is the length. Let's do long division to help us. 8 into 4 goes 0 times 8 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down the 4. 8 into 40, if you're not sure, you use your 8. You write your 8 times table on the side. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. Nothing to bring down. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. So that gives me my answer. 5 meters is my answer for my breadth, because I know area is equal to length times breadth. So if I took my new answer, 8 times 5, area is now equal to 40 meters squared. So for a rectangle, if you're already given the area and you're only given one side and you need to find the other side, you have to do the opposite of length times breadth, which means you have to divide to get your answer. So my answer for this side is 5 meters. If you understand this, then we are going to try work it out now for a square, because it's different for a square and for a rectangle. In this example, let's pretend that the square that they gave me, or the example that's been given to me, they tell me that the area is 36 centimeters squared. And the question says I need to find out what the length of the sides are. So I know area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. And I know my shape is a square, so all 4 sides are equal. My area I already have, it's 36 centimeters. And my length and my breadth I don't have yet, but I know that they are going to be the same, because in a square all the sides are equal. So I have to ask myself, what number can I multiply by itself to get to 36? So for example, let's try 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. That doesn't give me 36, so that can't be right. What about 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is 25. That does not equal 36, so that can't be right. Let's try 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So then I have my answer. 6 is, if I multiply 6 by itself, I'm going to get 36. So that means that this side is 6, this side is 6, this side is 6, and that side is 6. They are all 6 centimeters long. Because I had to work backwards, I had my area already. I had to see what number I times by itself, because all the sides are equal in a square. So what number can I times by itself to get the area that they've given to me? And in this example, it was 6 times 6. If you understand this clearly on how to find the missing side of a square and a rectangle when you're given its area, then pause the video now and try do this activity in your online journals. Take notes while you watch the video and do this activity in your online journal. If you don't understand the video, watch it again for a better understanding.